Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how to connect Siri with ChatGPT. For this we can do it in 3 simple steps. First we need the iPhone shortcuts app. Second we need the ChatGPT API key, and third we need the appropriate shortcuts. I'm going to show you every single one of them. First let's download the shortcuts app. This is the shortcuts app and you can download through Apple App Store. It is pretty simple to do it. Okay, now I have the shortcuts app downloaded. Now we need the API key, the second item in our prerequisites list. For this you can go to any browser of your choice. I'm going to go to Google Chrome for this one, and I'm going to check that open API key. Now this is going to ask me to log into my account, so I'm just going to quickly log into my account. So after logging into this account, we can see that there is the option to create a new secret, which I'm going to click, and this is going to create a new API key for me. So now I'm going to download or copy this API key, and after copying this API key we can move on to the third step, and that is to find the appropriate shortcut. Now there are two ways to do this. First one is through Siri Pro and second one is through GPT mode. Both have slight differences, but they both connect to basically ChatGPT and allow you to communicate with ChatGPT through your iPhone in a very simple manner. So first let's do it with Siri Pro. For this we are going to add it to our shortcuts. After adding it to our shortcuts, we can clearly see in our shortcuts app that this is present. Now for this one we need to connect it with ChatGPT, and basically we are going to add the API key that we copied over here. And full credits to the person Tim Harris who actually made this shortcuts app, so thank you so much for that. And now let's just click done. Basically this is it. Now our Siri Pro can connect with the OpenAI ChatGPT, and for this one basically if I click on this I need to ask some question. So let me ask this to write me a poem on a banana. So first of all it is going to ask me to connect with OpenAI. I'm going to allow this, and in the answer this is going to reply in the audio format.
Banana, yellow and sweet, a treat that can't be beat. It's a fruit that's so versatile in so many dishes it excels. From breakfast to dessert, it's a must in smoothies, cakes, and banana bread. Yum, a snack or a meal. It's a delight. It's a fruit that's always in sight.
Okay, so that's pretty sweet that Siri Pro is able to do this. It takes text as the input and it gave the output in the audio format. Now let's try with the second shortcut, and that is for the GPT mode. Now again the process is going to be the same. We will need to add the shortcut to our shortcut list. After adding the shortcut we will have to add the API key to that. Again we are going to add the API key, and we are going to give full credits to Alex Koshinsky who has developed the shortcut. Thank you so much, Alex. After this we will have to connect our GPT mode. So if I click on this one, okay, this is going to ask me to get the permission for speech recognition, because this GPT mode shortcut actually takes audio as the input. So let me allow this and ask the question, write me a poem on banana. And now it is going to ask to connect with the OpenAI. I'm going to select always allow, and now it is populating the answer, and GPT mode responds back in the text format, so which we can see over here, and the answer is pretty satisfactory, so there are no issues with that. I'm just going to click done. So these are two ways to use ChatGPT with your iPhone in a simplest manner. And just to show that ChatGPT can do things that Siri cannot even imagine, let's just ask the same question to Siri. Hey Siri, write me a poem on a banana. And Siri responds back with I don't understand. Let's ask the question again. Hey Siri, make me a poem on a banana.
I'm not sure I understand.
See? Yeah. See, so basically Siri is not capable to do these things, but ChatGPT is. And following this tutorial, you can actually empower your iPhone. So go ahead and do it.